Hello guys, welcome to the 12th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to create hero card and thumbnail card in Board Framework. Board Framework supports rich cards using which we can attach a various type of media within the message. Now it supports hero card, thumbnail card, audio card, video card, animation card as well as receipt and sign-in card. In this session, we will see only hero and thumbnail card. Both cards can contain image, title, subtitles, descriptive text, and buttons. Different between those two cards is that hero card contains an image of a larger size, wherein thumbnail, as a name, it contains only thumbnail size of image. In this example, I am going to retrieve text from user and display card that contains an image with text that user writes. For generating an image from the text, I am using dummyimage.com. Let us start it. First of all, I am going to create a new class under dialog folder named Hero Card Demo. Add necessary namespaces. Mark it as serializable. Inherit it from iDialog of type object. Implement start async method. Here, I am going to wait till I get response from message received async method. Let us generate this method. Make it async. Here we will get iAwaitable of iMessage activity to change it. Now create a message from context using makeMessage method and obtain activity from the result. Make it async. Within message we can add various kind of attachments. So write a message.attachments.add. This method will take attachment as parameter. So write getCard and pass activity.text which contains text that user writes in boot. After creating a message, use postAsync method to send this message to our boot. Create this method and change the text to the title and pasting variable containing links to dummy image API and Microsoft Docs. Note that here I have used string interpolation and pass a string that user typed, so it will create an image with specified text. Let us click on this. Here is an image that it will generate. Let's change text to hello. Here is an image that contains hello. Create a new hero card. Within that, set title with a title that user typed. Add value for subtitle text, that is subtitle for a card. Add descriptive text in text property. Image property contains list of card image. Let us add a new item to that list and pass URL of the image. Now add buttons. Create a list of card action. Create new set action type for this button. Here we want to add links, so we need to select open URL and then pass text that you want to display on the button. Open docs. Value parameter contains URL that should be opened. Pass docs URL. We can add multiple images as well as buttons in hero and thumbnail card. Change title to view image and pass image URL. At the end, we need to return hero card as an attachment. Here we have created hero card. Now we need to update it in message controller. Create delegate, which will create a new instance of hero card demo method. Let us save file and run it. And send hello. Here we got a card that contains an image with text hello and hello in the title, as well as subtitle and text as we have set. It also contains two buttons. Let us click on Docs button. It will open documentation. Let's click on View page. Here is an image. In this example, we just sent a single card. However, we can also add multiple cards in the attachment of the message. For this, copy Get Card line and paste it 2 times. Change parameter to one more image and last image. Let us run it and send hello. Here we got 3 cards. You can see that by default, those cards are displayed as list means one by one, which took more area and user need to scroll up down. Instead of this, we can use carousel layout, which will display all the carousel means in horizontal. For this, we need to set attachment layout of a message to carousel. Save it and run. Send hello. Here you can see that difference in layout. Note that all channels do not support carousel layout. In this case, it will display in list. However, we have created carousel. As you know, hero card and thumbnail card contents are similar, so they have also same properties. We just need to change the class name only to make thumbnail card. Save it and send hello. Here you can see that image size is very small. Otherwise, it is similar to hero card, contains title, subtitle, text and buttons. Let us see what we have learned in this session. In this session, we saw differences between hero card and thumbnail card. Then we created a message that returns attachments and create a method that originally produces the card. Here we can add title, subtitle, text and multiple images and multiple buttons. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.